Kinder Playtime!
Holy cow, Jacob, you got the Infinity Gauntlet? How in the world did you get that?
I defeated Thanos, of course.
How did you defeat Thanos?
I tickled him.
You tickled him? No way. If only Avengers knew that worked.
Uh-huh.
Oh my gosh, Jacob, you know what?
I could get anything I want.
You can?
Yes?
Just snapping your fingers?
Yeah.
What are you gonna wish for?
Surprises.
Surprises! Of course surprises, because we're on Kinder Playtime.
Yeah.
All right, are you ready?
Yes.
Let's do it, dude.
Time to power up the Infinity Gauntlet! Oh yeah! Here we go! Whoa!
Whoa! That's a lot of surprises.
Holy
Thanks, Infinity Gauntlet. Man, we got the hookup. Look at all these cool surprises.
Yeah.
What is this? Ready to robot build swap battle. Those are new. Oh, we got like a dinosaur, Iron Jaw. Oh, that's cool. Teen Titans Go, and lots of. Oh, looks like there's an Infinity War, like blind bag and Mario. Man, let's get started. What do you want to start with?
We're gonna start with this,
You gonna start with those?
and you can have this one.
Okay, what do we got? We got World's Smallest. Ooh, cool. It looks like Series 2 maybe. I don't think I remember seeing these. And then you're gonna do Ready to Robot. Let's open it.
Alright.
Okay, let's open this World's Smallest first.
Yep.
All right, let's see what we get. All right, here you go. Open it up. Show me what you get.
Huh? What's this?
Oh, I forgot what those are called. Okay, can you get it on there? It's kind of harder than it looks, isn't it?
Yeah.
All right, you keep practicing on that, and we're gonna start opening up these robots. And we decided to open up both of them at the same time because we had 2 of them today. And there are all kinds of blind bags. Oh my gosh, so many blind bags in these. And down here it says push here.
Yeah.
So we waited till the last second to push those. So we'll do that in just a minute. But let's go ahead and open up our blind bag, see what we got. Here's the robot pieces that we got, and it looks like you can mix and match them, which is really cool.
Yeah, that's cool.
That's really cool. Do you want to mix and match them now?
Yeah.
Let's do it. Okay, so you can take like my arms, and I'll take your legs and stuff like that. We'll just mix and match them, and then we can build them. That'd be a lot of fun.
So arms. So they snap on.
Do they?
Yeah.
Oh, that's pretty sweet. Oh, that's really cool. I really like these.
It's got a jetpack.
A jetpack. Oh yeah. Jetpack, and here's mine. Mine has like claws and some kind of like sword on the back. That's awesome. Super cool. All right, do you want to see what our pilots are?
All right.
Okay, so show me that. All right, it says push here.
Push here.
Okay. Oh, it came at the bottom. Oh, sweet.
It's slime.
It comes with slime? That's amazing. Who's our pilots?
This guy.
That one was yours, wasn't it?
Yeah.
Did you get it?
It's very gooey.
It's very gooey.
Oh, there we go.
There. Ooh.
Ugh.
All right, who'd you get?
What? That's my pilot?
It's really smart. Oh, I see. Well, that's cool.
Alright, let's open yours.
All right. There we go. All right, who'd you get?
Oh.
Or who did I get? This one's mine, right? Is it a girl? Ah, my leg!
Yeah, that happened to mine too.
Oh yeah, it looks like a girl almost, huh?
Yep. Here, well, there you go.
Nice. And now they can battle.
And we got a bunch of goo too.
A lot of goo, and they can battle in the goo, and they can fight, and they can knock their arms off, and all that stuff. Those are pretty fun. Nice.
You got me stuck in the goo. I want to defeat you. No, I want to defeat you. I want to defeat you. No.
Dino smash!
Get so loud.
Nice one, Jake. All right, you ready for another surprise?
Yep.
All right. Can I pick one? I'm gonna pick this Mario one. That looks awesome.
I'm gonna pick this.
Ooh, what you got there? What is that? A Gudetama, the lazy egg slime. 8 to collect. Oh, ooh, 8 to collect. All right. Oh, I see him in there. Oh. It's like a big old runny egg.
Ugh.
Ooh.
Yeah, he's kind of squishy.
He's squishy.
Good. And look at all this.
He goes swimming.
Oh, I'm being fried.
Being fried.
Oh my goodness.
That's funny.
Bye.
Bye. All right, what did I get? Super Mario. Oh, Waluigi. That's pretty cool. I like that. Did you like that? Look at that.
I like it.
That's so cool.
Yeah, that is really cool.
Yeah, we're gonna have to get more of these. I love the hangers and I love Super Mario. That's gonna be super fun. Okay, you ready for the next one? Let's do it.
Let's do it.
Okay. Ooh, what's this? I'm gonna do this one. It's
And
called Chibi Snaps.
I'm gonna do this one.
Poopeez. Ah, okay. That one's just gross. Let's open them. All right, what did we get?
All right, let's see. Captain America.
Nice, Captain America. Ooh, those are cool.
Oh, we got 2.
Yeah, it comes with 2, I think.
Red Skull.
Red Skull. Oh, look, it's his enemy.
Sticking together.
Oh.
Ow. And you can get a Hulk one too.
That's awesome. I'm not super excited.
Poop.
You got Frankenpoop. Oh, he's a duplicate. We got him another time, didn't we?
And we get Bumblebee.
Bumblebee, of course.
It's time for another Dino Smash!
What's gonna be next? Oh yeah, Incredibles 2. And they're domes, aren't they?
Yep.
Oh, we love these. Sweet. Did you watch this movie?
Yes.
I did not get to see this movie. I'm kind of sad. I want to watch it. Okay, open yours first.
Alright.
All right, what do we get? Ooh, that's Dash, right?
Yep, that is Dash.
Oh, that's so cool. I love the domes so much. They're so collectible. And I got Frozone, right?
Yep.
Very cool. And they do stack together like that.
Yep.
And on top? Yes, that's right. So cool, man. Okay, I'm gonna pick this thing. Infinity War.
Okay.
Keychain. Collector's key ring. What are you gonna pick?
I'm gonna pick this Kinetic Sand.
Kinetic Sand?
Yeah.
What is that?
You'll see.
I'm excited. Here we go.
Alright, let's see who we got.
Oh,
The
nice, super nice. I love the Hulk.
Yeah.
Look at his muscles. He's showing his muscles. Ah. Hulk smash. Nice.
Oh,
All right.
something that can smash him.
Oh,
Smash!
no. Thanos smash. All right, Jake. Now you're gonna have to show me what this is.
Whoa.
I'm really excited. Oh, is it like sand? Sand?
Yeah, it's
No, it looks like it's like Play-Doh sand.
Yeah, it's kind of like Play-Doh sand.
Okay. Well, that's kind of nice. It keeps it from getting super messy, right?
Yeah.
Huh. Oh, I see. That's really neat. Whoa, that's cool. Can you build like a sandcastle with it?
Yeah, with that mold.
Yeah,
Can.
that's pretty cool.
Whoa.
That's awesome.
Everything's awesome.
You watching the Lego movie again?
Yeah. I'm gonna smash it.
Oh, that's pretty cool.
Oh.
Here we go again. What you gonna get? Ooh, what do you got there? An arm slinky. And it's lead free. Oh yeah, that's awesome. Just kidding. Got slinky.
What are you gonna pick?
I'm gonna do the squish delish.
You gonna do the squish dealer?
Yeah, it looks gross.
Yeah.
Here we go with the squish delish. Oh my gosh.
It's a vampire sock.
A vampire sock with spiders on it. And super squishy.
You have to check.
Alright.
Scratch. Ah.
Nice.
I would probably give that an 8.
An 8?
Yep.
All right, now what is this
I
thing?
would give it a 0.
You can give that a 0. Yeah, it's not very squishy. What? What does it do? What? That is like the most amazing thing I've ever seen in my life, besides your mother. Wow. That is amazing. I love that. Oh, that's cool.
Whoa. What the?
That's amazing.
What the?
All right, this time we're gonna open up 4.
Okay.
So go ahead and pick your 2, and then I'll pick my 2.
Pick this one and this one.
The Grossery Gang and Amazing Squishy. Looks like
Poop.
it. Of course, it's poop. Everything's poop this year. I'm gonna go with PJ Masks and what is this one?
A breakfast monster.
Breakfast Monsters mini plush. That looks interesting. Okay, here we go. Let's start with the PJ Masks and
Then Romeo.
Romeo. I think we've gotten like 6 Romeos. I think. I think
No, I think that was Luna Girl.
Oh, Luna Girl. That's right. We have a lot of Luna Girls. We also have a lot of Romeos too, though.
Yeah.
Yeah. So he's cool. And then what does he got here? It's a mummy of some sort.
Mummy Muffin.
Mummy Muffin. Interesting. All right. What did you get?
In my toilet, I got.
What is that? He does not look happy to see us.
And that.
And he doesn't look happy to see us either.
And we got.
Oh, she looks so happy to see us. I think her name is Cherry. Yeah, her name is Cherry.
Looks like her. Got some sprinkles.
Yeah, Emily and Chloe are gonna love that one.
Yeah.
Here we go. All right, I'm gonna do this Cars.
Okay.
Cars 3. And what are you gonna? Oh, and this Thomas Minis. What are you gonna do?
I'm gonna do these 2.
These 2. Ninjago Lego minifigure and a Stretch Armstrong. Really?
Ooh. All right.
It's a flinger.
Let's get these open.
Okay, which flinger did you get?
Got the red flinger
You
again.
get 2 flingers, huh?
Yep, we got 2 flingers. And then 1 bad guy.
Oh, and 1 bad guy, and you set that up and try to hit him, don't you?
Yeah.
It's pretty cool.
Save that for later.
Okay.
See what's in our Thomas Minis.
Oh,
Ooh.
that's really cool. That's Charlie, isn't it?
Yeah.
That's awesome.
Man, that is really cool.
Can I see the side one more time? Wow, that's really neat.
Yeah.
I love it. Okay,
And
let's see which cars we got.
What our cars is.
Oh, that looks like Ramon.
Yeah.
I think they called that one Florida Ramon.
Okay.
Awesome.
And then what's our Lego character?
Let's see.
Oh.
You got the green Ninjago guy.
Yeah.
Let's build him up. All right, so we got like the main ninja guy, but he's not as the ninja. He's just like casual. He's using his regular clothes,
Yeah.
and he's eating cereal. It came with a bowl with a spoon.
Yeah.
All right, and then here's our other ones.
Yep.
Super cool. And then I think Jacob's gonna try to shoot the bad guy, which we put up over here. All right, you ready? Here we go, and oh, we missed. There you go, you got him.
Yeah.
All right, you ready for the last 4 surprises?
Yep.
And it looks like we have a big dinosaur.
Yep.
I'm excited. So we got dinosaur, what else we got?
The Rocket League.
Rocket League, oh you love Rocket League.
Yeah.
And then we got a Batman, Mashems,
And then,
Teen Titans Go.
which also has Batman.
Yeah. All right, let's open it. Okay, last 4 surprises of the day, and we got a Teen Titans Go, and I really want Robin. And we got Robin! Yeah! Woo! I've wanted this one for a long time.
Alright, let's see who we got in this.
What you get in that one? You got old school blue Batman. Nice! So we got Batman and Robin.
And let's see.
All right, which card did we get? What is that? What is... Can I see? Wow! And it has the flames on the back. Does it light up? I think these light up.
Oh, yeah.
Whoa! That's really, really, really cool. Nice! I'm so excited. I'm so pumped. We got Batman and Robin and an awesome car. And then we got this really cool dinosaur. So is it like a fingerling? Oh, yeah. It totally is. That's awesome! That's awesome. You petting him? Oh my goodness. Is he your new best friend?
Yeah. He can be friends with my other dinosaur.
Yeah, he could. Those are really fun. Man, I had so much fun opening all these surprises with you today. It was so much fun.
Yeah.
Now that you have Thanos' gauntlet, what are you going to do with it?
I don't really know.
You don't really know. Could you imagine if it got into the hands of someone, I don't know, is crazy or is a little baby or something?
No, let's not do that. Thanks for watching. Bye!
Bye, everybody.
Leave us a like, write us a comment, and subscribe. Thanks for watching. Bye!